Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Coker. Back in the day when I used to help students prepare for the EOG, it looked a little bit different because back in the day, the EOG was on paper. I used to tell students, draw on the EOG, interact with it. If there was a fractions problem, you could draw right on that fractions image, change it, rearrange it to make fair shares, whatever you need to do to be able to answer the question. But guess what? Most of the time now, most of us take the EOG on a computer, and you would get in a lot of trouble if you decided to write on the computer screen. So I have a tip for that. If you come to a problem that you really think you need to draw on, like a picture of a fractions model, well, let me see. I might even have one pulled up here. Let's take a look at this one, for example. Hopefully you can see that right there. So if you come to a problem like this that you really want to draw on, what you could do is just take your piece of paper, hold it up to the screen, and then you can trace that drawing onto your paper. In fact, let me try this and see what happens here. All right, so I've got my paper, and I'm going to hold it right up to the screen, and I am going to, oh my goodness, this is a little bit difficult, and I really do need to be careful to make sure that I don't accidentally trace on the computer. My parents would be grumpy because they would have a bill to pay. All right, so I don't need to be perfect with my drawing because I am not an artist, I am a mathematician. So here is what my drawing now looks like. So it looks like this, and the question is asking me what fraction of this drawing is shaded. Well, I don't know. It's not in equal parts, but now I can change or rearrange my drawing to make it easier to work with. So now I'm going to get it into equal parts. And now I can more easily see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So 6 becomes my denominator, and one of those parts is shaded. Oh, well, that's a lot easier. So boys and girls, when you get to that EOG, trace those pictures when you need to. Have a good day.